Welcome to Traders Lessons, your trusted trading academy for all things financial. Today, we will be discussing one of the most important economic indicators: gross domestic product, also known as GDP. GDP measures the total value of all goods and services produced within a country's borders in a specific timeframe. It is a crucial indicator because it reflects the overall health and growth of a nation's economy. GDP provides insights into the standard of living, productivity, and economic performance of a country. To calculate GDP, economists consider four main components: consumption, investment, government spending, and net exports. Consumption refers to the spending by individuals and households on goods and services, such as food, housing, and healthcare. Investment represents the spending by businesses on capital goods, such as machinery, equipment, and infrastructure, to enhance future production. Government spending includes expenditure on public goods and services, such as education, defense, and healthcare. Net exports account for the difference between a country's exports and imports of goods and services. High GDP growth usually indicates a strong and thriving economy with increased job opportunities and higher standards of living. Conversely, low or negative GDP growth suggests economic contraction and could be a sign of recession or economic downturn. GDP figures are regularly released by government agencies and closely monitored by economists, policymakers, and investors. Changes in GDP can influence financial markets, stock prices, currency exchange rates, and interest rates. Understanding GDP and its components is essential for traders and investors to make informed decisions in the financial markets. By analyzing GDP data and trends, traders can identify potential investment opportunities and anticipate market movements. Keep in mind that GDP is just one piece of the economic puzzle, and it should be considered alongside other indicators for a comprehensive analysis. In conclusion, gross domestic product is a vital measure of a country's economic performance and an essential tool for traders and investors. Stay tuned for more valuable lessons and insights on finance and trading from Traders Lessons, your go-to trading academy.